Hello everybody. Today we are going to see Erba Mannheim's Excel system pack of chloride. So this is the front and the top view, and as you can see, this is the chloride test kit. You can find the catalog number here. The catalog number is 120263, and this particular chloride kit has a pack size of 10 into 12 ml volume. You can see this particular kit is also C certified. It needs to be stored between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius. This kit has a standard expiry of 2 years. You can see it here. This kit contains a single chloride reagent of 10 into 12 ml of volume. You can find it here. This is like the side view of the kit. So this is the front view of the kit, and this kit is compatible with our Erba analyzers. And to summarize things up, this is the Erba Mannheim Excel system pack chloride kit of catalog number 120263. This particular kit has a pack size of 10 into 12 ml. You can find it here. This kit contains a single chloride reagent of 10 into 12 ml of volume and a standard expiry of 2 years. This kit is also C certified, and it needs to be maintained between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius. So thank you.